So this is my my first step to regenerative braking, and so right now I have the main wheel spinning, which is powered by the motor, which is I'm using a power supply to power the motor, and I'm using this generator right here that spins with the overall wheel to for energy harvesting. You can see on my meter that right now I'm collecting half a volt, 0.5 volts with this generator spinning. So my next step is to automate this, and then to have super caps capture the energy from the generator to slow the vehicle when the motor is no longer energized. This is just to capture energy while upon braking. And so this is my first iteration, and I'm like I said, I'm going to make this more automated using the linear actuator to engage and disengage the main shaft. So that's it for this video.